Hello guys, I'm gonna go over the general steps of using integration by parts. So what exactly is integration by parts? Integration by parts is a process of undoing a product rule. And the general equation that we use is integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. When looking at an integral, we must decide if we need to use u substitution or integration by parts. If we do decide it's an integration by parts problem, then we must determine our u in dv. To determine our u, we must use the expression Liat. L stands for logs, I stands for inverse, A stands for algebraic, T stands for trig, E stands for exponential. When we determine our u, then we must take the derivative to give us du. To find v, we must take the integral dv, which is our second function. When you have done that, then we can use the equation to plug in our values. Sometimes we have to use integration by parts twice. If the power of u is decreasing after the first integration by parts, then it must be used again in order to take the integral of the function instead of 2. An example of a problem that requires integration by parts twice is the integral 6x squared e to 3x dx. So to find our u, we can use the expression Liat. And so we can automatically cancel out L and I, since it's not in our problem. But we do have an algebraic function, which is 6x squared. So our u would be 6x squared. And our dv would be e to 3x. If we take the derivative of u, then it will be du equals 12x dx. And our v would be 1 over 3rd e to 3x. And then, since we have all the values that we need, we can plug into our equation. After simplifying and plugging in our values, we can see that the new integral has a product. We must use integration by parts. So, in this case, u would be x, since when you derive du, it will equal dx. And our dv would be e to 3x, and our v would be 1 over 3rd e to 3x. Then we will need to plug these values into the same equation. After plugging in our values, we can see that the new integral has one function, which is easy to integrate. After integration, we will have this expression. And after simplifying, you get this expression. Do not forget the c. And that's how you do a problem that requires integration by parts twice.